We used Gunn and we're really happy with what we've got. It was a really easy process for us from start to finish. He was very easy to deal with, and we were able to hand it all over to him, and he would take care of every other trade and take care of all the details that we never thought of, and we're really pleased with who we chose and the product that he's given us.
So Derek and his team came to build us this extension, and Derek was able to follow the architect's plans that we'd had drawn up and turn the external wall there into some double doors, and then build this amazing roof with the skylights and put in the bifold doors across the back of the house. Obviously when the half of the side of the house came down, that was quite a full-on thing to have happening, especially with a child in the house, but they put lots of polythene up and actually didn't do it until the very last moment that they had to do it. But it was all tidily managed and cleared up every day, and they kept quiet when we were saying, actually someone's got to go to sleep, and really can't think of anything to fault them on in terms of how the whole thing was managed, and for us as a family living in the house while it was happening.
Derek built for us a couple of years ago a single-storey extension with a pitched roof opening up onto our kitchen and dining room. So we found him to be very easy to work with, always left the house very tidy, and we were very, very pleased with the result, which we're really enjoying.
We first met Derek when he fitted a wood-burning stove in our lounge, and we had some plans drawn up for a kitchen extension. And we looked around at other builders just to get a few quotes, but we decided to go with Derek, as he's done such a good job on our wood-burning stove installation. Extremely happy with his services. The building was fantastic. I think we came in on budget and we came in on time. The guys that Derek uses, the carpenters and the electricians, were all extremely helpful in sorting out some of the problems we had. We asked them to do additional work, which they did happily. Derek's team during the day, working sort of between 8 and 4, fitted in with the way that we worked. I was able to meet Derek first thing in the morning before I went off to work, sort out any problems we may have. All in all, it's been a very good experience for us.
Well, this room we're standing in here now was actually a garage at one point, and it was used only for just rubbish really, and we decided to turn this room into this space into a living room, and also a study, which is the other side here. And the work that was carried out by Derek Gunn was excellent, to a high standard, very clean workmanship. He kept us informed throughout the project of any changes or anything that was going to happen. And yes, we were very happy with the finished result, and 2 years on, it's being used as a room, and it's been very successful.